Hi, and welcome to Power Equipment Technology. I'm Adam, I'm a junior from Brunswick, and I'm going to show you a little bit today about what we do in our power equipment class. First, I'm going to take you out and show you the Harley Davidsons that we won from Skills USA.
My name's Ethan. I am a senior from Medina High School. This year I am starting off by taking AP Physics and a college-level digital electronics class. So the Career Center is not only about your fun lab stuff, but you can also experience your college-level courses to get you prepared to go on to the future in college. So over the summer, I completed a summer internship program with the mower shop. I was a service technician there working on small engines, lawnmowers, and weed eaters. Through this program, I was able to join the work release program, where I take my academic classes in the morning and then I go to the work at the mower shop to make money and get my lab credit at the same time. So right now my plans for the future are going to Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics to be a certified aircraft mechanic. And with all of the experience I've gotten here at the Career Center, it will help me in my field throughout life.
Hi, I'm Jacob and I'm a Brunswick senior. Standing behind us here is 3 Harley Davidsons that former students in the power equipment class has won in the Skills USA competition, competing in mechanical challenges. After winning these motorcycles, they also won many scholarships to help them with their future successes. Right now, I also am in the early placement program where I work at ABC Equipment Rental out in Brunswick. I also work there over the summer, and I get to leave lab early so that way I can go out and work, and I also get credit for working out there. I am also a Brunswick swimmer, so if you're ever worried about being in sports or still being involved in your homeschool, don't worry about it because you still can be part of both.
So now we're going to hand it back to Adam for him to show us the rest of our lab.
Back in the classroom, we have Trent working on one of our donated bikes, maintaining the side cover. This bike was donated to us from the Ohio Technical College. I'm going to bring you guys over here and we're going to talk to Dan about the power equipment in this classroom.
Hey, I'm Dan. I'm a junior at Brunswick. These are our commercial zero-turn mowers that have been loaned to us by local power equipment stores. We also learn how to maintain and safely operate these pieces of equipment here in power equipment. This also has helped me with running my own lawn care business here in Brunswick and allows me to bring in my own equipment and work on it. This is our stand-on right zero-turn, and then this is one of our snow blowers, and then a Skag sit-down zero-turn. We learn on big machines like this, and then we also learn on little 2-cycle pieces of equipment like that.
So I'm Mac. I am also a junior from Brunswick, and what we have here is we have a steel chainsaw and a steel leaf blower. Now we mostly use these for our 2-stroke lesson. So basically what we do is we take the whole engine apart, understand how it works and what do the parts do, and we put them back together and make sure they work.
Thanks, Matt. I'm going to bring you guys over here, and this is my buddy Jack, and this is actually his bike that he brought in to work on and have Mr. J help him fix to repair so he can operate it again. Over here, these are all of the bikes and ATVs and snowmobiles that we get to run and work on. Over here, we have the ATV dyno. The dyno is used to calculate horsepower and torque, and you can also use it to make sure that the repairs that you did on it work. We also learn MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding in this class. These are our welding booths.
We'll do designs like this on top of our metal projects.
Over here, this is an oxyacetylene torch that we use to cut steel or bolt. Over here, she's doing hand sanding, metal work. These are metal drawings that were put into the Medina County Fair. We won a couple of awards with these. One of the reasons why I joined this class is for the metalwork and the welding opportunities, because when I graduate I want to become a welder. And then I'm going to take you guys outside to show you the rest of the equipment that we have. We get to run and operate and maintain all of this equipment. We do everything from small engines such as chainsaws all the way up to UTVs, backhoes, and big equipment like that. Thanks for listening and hope to see you next year in Power Equipment Technology.